my channel. I'm so excited to start filming again. I had kind of a quiet holiday. I hope you guys had an awesome holiday, but I just didn't get motivated to film. So now I have to catch up. And I have The Box by Fashionsta. I filmed this yesterday and I just didn't like it. So I deleted it all and have to start over. So I did get into The Box. Fashionsta is the name of the company, and they charge about $19 a month for the box, which is definitely not a bad price because they give you all full-size products. I did hear though that they're going to go up to $25, and but if you're already subscribed to it, then you just get to keep that $19 price. But any new subscribers are going to have to pay the $25. I do have a link to save $5 off of your first box. So if it's something you're interested, the link is below. So let's get into it. As I said, the box has makeup products and skincare products, so they don't overload you on anything. And they also add like just kind of fun things, like they had a booty cream, and I have been using it, but it's very, very dry. So when you're in the shower, I kind of wet my hands before I use it. But they do come out with some unique products. So the first thing that I'm going to take out is, it's by Soothie. It's the tea infused oil. And it's retails for $40. And the Soothe facial oil is infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensations to the skin. And it's got a whole big explanation down there, but I won't go through everything. But I love using facial oils. Now, ever since I've been using them, I use the Tarte. I can't remember which Tarte brand it is, but it does make your face feel a lot better. So instead of using it like 5 times a week, I kind of knocked it down to about 3 times a week. So this is what the oil looks like. It's a blue color, don't know, and it's got the dropper. And there's things, so you always want to shake your oils. And just a little tip with oils, you always put the oil on before the moisturizer. So what I do is I cleanse, I tone, then I put on the oil, and then I put on my moisturizer. So let's see if this one has a smell to it. It's got a lavender smell to it, not kind of overwhelming, but it does have that like lavender smell to it. So again, this retails for $40. So this kind of paid for the price of the box. And I know the Tarte, that was $65. The next thing is the Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub. That's what it looks like. And this exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. The rosehip seed oil, and now this word I can't pronounce, Y-I-A-N-G, Yang. Essential oils are known for that anti-aging properties. So this is what it looks like. And you can see that there's a glare. And I think I swiped it yesterday, and it smells really, really good. That smells good. And this retails for $12. So it's not overpriced, which is a nice thing about this box. If you find a product that you really, really like and you want to order it again, it's not over the top. I don't know, what box was it? Our BoxyCharm where we got the lip, and it was $200. I don't care how good it worked. I'm not going to spend $200. The next thing is the Crescent Moon. This is an eye palette, and it's a 4-color eyeshadow. And that's what they look like. And off the mirror, you can see try to get the mirror out of there. I love the colors. I just don't know if they're for me. I've been practicing with makeup. I'm wearing, I don't know if you can see it, but it's the Classy Cakes Cosmetics. And I bought some off her channel. Sandra, she sells it, and I just love it. They go on so nice and smooth. But I'm not sure if I'm going to use that palette. And that is $45. The Crescent Moon palette, rich duochrome shades, heavily pigmented diamond and shimmer shadow shades. So yeah, I don't know if I could get away with that, but it is a nice palette. The next thing is Glow Getter, and as you might imagine, this is a highlighter palette. I thought it was beautiful. It's got nice colors. I definitely like that peachy kind of color. So this is something that I will probably use, but I've got a couple palettes I'm trying to finish up, and then I will put this one in line. And this palette is $15. So not a bad price for a palette, especially if it works. And then there was this CBD bath bomb. Now, it doesn't look quality wise. I mean, it just looks like something you can get in any of the subscription boxes. But again, it's hard to package a bath bomb. And wash away the stress of the day in pools of refreshing eucalyptus and mint. The graceful combination of Epsom salt and coconut oil dances away aches and dry skin. So this would probably be very relaxing in the tub. And this retails for $12, which I don't know, seems like a lot for a bath, but. So those were 5 items, and then the last thing in the box is this great 1520 hydrating mask, and it's the ultimate thirst quencher. Glacier water and seawater, collagen, hyaluronic acid. So this is a great mask to add to my collection, and I will probably use this one tonight just so I can review how it worked. So that was everything in the box, and I forgot to mention that when you open the box, it's got this cute little warning on there, and it says, warning, the contents of the box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. So I highly recommend this box. To be honest, I canceled all my Ipsy. I will leave a link. I did Ipsy like a holiday. It had like 5 nail polishes in there, but it did have a lot of great other products. But I will no longer be receiving any Ipsy. I've got my Fashionsta, and then I have my BoxyCharm, which has great products in theirs as well. So please leave me comments. Let me know what you thought of this box, if you use this box and if you like it. And I've got to see, oh, the sheet mask was $7. So this was definitely a good value box. So as always, you guys have an awesome day.